Within the course, it's not just acting or reading scripts. It's also like you're doing set design, you're doing costume design, you're doing technical theatre, filming, digital media, that kind of thing. When it comes from production, writing is in it as well. And first year is very much like a pick and mix of everything. Having people in my course that I'm friends with and we work together as well, because it's very much, the course is very much teamwork based. It's not like, oh, I don't know her name, I don't know him. You know everyone, you work together with everyone. The friend group I've made is just like unreal. And we've gotten so close in such a short amount of time because we work together so much on projects. You come to Sligo, it's such an artsy, creative town that you fit in, but like you're fitting in because you're actually just being yourself. I'd say my favourite place would probably be the library, purely because of how quiet it is. When I go into the library, it's cosy in there, it has a cosy vibe to it. You're kind of just sitting in with a bunch of other people who are doing their work, and you look around, you see them doing their work, and that kind of encourages you to do it as well. Since first year is so focusing on every aspect of theatre, when you go into second year, you kind of narrow down what you really want to do. So a lot of people will actually be heading into design when they go into second year, a lot of people heading into acting. A lot of people think they go in with the mindset of, oh, I'm going to do acting, because that's why a lot of people do it, is because of the performing part of it. But then a lot of people do change their mind when they see the design things and they go, Joey, that actually suits me more. Script work, filming, stage, that's like my favourite part of it, and that's why I really wanted to go, was that part of it. So in second year, I can't wait to just really get into that. I just kind of take every day as it comes, but obviously end goal would probably be to do something in the, like, you know, the performing world, whether it was writing or directing, because you do directing as well, or performing. Any sort of work to do with that would be the dream, because doing something you love is just the ideal job. But I genuinely do think my time here and future projects will definitely help me with that. Not only with learning, but also just to get to know people, you know, rub shoulders with the right people. Doing this course will definitely help you do that.